Beginner's Guide to Investment Options and How to Buy Them. Shares, mutual funds, and more. Welcome to the second video in our investment series. This guide builds on the basics from our first video to explore key investment options and how to get started with them. Whether you want to grow wealth steadily or explore new opportunities, this will provide clear insights and actionable steps tailored to novice investors in India. Understanding major investment options. Equity, shares, stocks. Buying ownership in companies with potential for higher returns and higher risk. Fixed deposits, FDs, and bonds. Stable returns with lower risk through fixed interest payments over time. Real estate. Property investments offering long-term appreciation and rental income potential. Mutual funds. Professionally managed pooled investments spanning stocks, bonds, or both. Gold, physical and digital. A traditional safe haven asset, diversifying portfolios with tangible value. Cryptocurrency, context. A high-risk digital asset class with volatility, consider cautiously. What is an asset class? An asset class is a group of financial investments with similar characteristics and behavior in the market. Common classes. Equity, higher risk and returns. Debt, lower risk, steady income. Real estate, tangible, moderate risk. Commodities, gold, silver inflation hedge. Cash equivalents, safe but low returns. Risk versus return. Each asset class balances risk and return differently, guiding your investment choices based on your comfort level and goals. Types of mutual funds based on asset class. Equity mutual funds. Invest primarily in shares of companies, aiming for capital growth but with higher risk. Debt mutual funds. Focus on bonds and fixed income securities, providing safer and predictable returns. Hybrid funds. A mix of equity and debt to balance risk and reward. Other funds. Specialty funds like gold funds or international global funds to diversify further. Choosing the right type depends on your investment horizon and risk appetite. Mutual fund categories by strategy and structure. Open-ended. Funds that allow buying and selling at any time and have liquidity and flexibility. Closed-ended. Fixed number of units traded on stock exchanges and has limited liquidity. Active funds. Managed by experts selecting securities with potential of higher returns but with fees. Passive funds. Index funds. Track market indexes with lower fees, also are cost-effective and transparent. Additionally, you may choose to invest through SIP, systematic investment plan, for consistent investing or with lump sum amounts according to your preference. How to invest in shares and mutual funds. For shares. Open a Demat account. Required to buy and hold shares electronically in India. For mutual funds. Use mutual fund platforms. Direct platforms allow investing without a Demat account for mutual funds. For both you are required to complete KYC. Submit identity proof, PAN card, and bank details to start investing. Choose investment method. Invest via lump sum or SIP depending on your financial plan and goals. Understanding the process makes investing simple and secure. Now let's learn about best apps and platforms to invest in India. For shares. Zerodha. Grow. Upstocks. Angel One. I am personally using all of them except Upstocks. For mutual funds. Coin by Zerodha. Grow. Paytm Money. Kuvera. ET Money. I am personally using ET Money as this is complete financial tool app. We'll discuss about it in detail in some other video. These platforms offer easy onboarding, intuitive interfaces, and educational resources perfect for beginners starting their investment journey. Key tips for beginner investors. Start small. Invest manageable amounts to build confidence and experience. Understand your risk profile. Know how much risk you can handle before choosing investments. Stay invested long term. Give your investments time to grow and compound wealth. Diversify. Spread investments across asset classes to reduce risk. Avoid following trends blindly. Make informed decisions rather than chasing market hype. Following these tips will help you create a solid foundation for a successful investment journey. As mentioned in the start, this is my second video on investment guidance for beginners. I have already uploaded a video yesterday regarding how to start investing, step by step for beginners. I am also giving link of said video in description for anyone who want to learn from basics. If you like this video or find the content informative, please do like, subscribe and share this video and channel.